Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Good morning. Thank you for everyone for the nice, kind words you guys said about, I wasn't feeling good the last time I did a daily vlog. Today, I'm a little better. My hands are still a little stiff in some of the joints, but I'm much better than I was. And I was explaining Hashimoto's to somebody, and they were like, well, if you need to just relax. And I said, yeah, here's the thing, is like it comes on and it puts me behind in what I'm doing. So then I get stressed. And it's like, this is the internal conversation in my body. Hashimoto's is going, if you don't stop being stressed, I'm going to keep hurting you. And then the other part of my body's like, but if you keep hurting me, I'm going to keep being stressed because I'm further behind. And then Hashimoto's goes, I don't care. You got to stop being stressed. So it's a vicious circle. In the garage today. It's 28 degrees out here. And I had to get out here because my husband built me 2 more shelves. So I was kind of looking around and trying to figure out where I'm going to put the shelves. I feel like I'm dressed like that guy in Men in Black 3. Okay, I think I have a plan. Jeff brought up an oil-based primer, so hopefully that covers the problem with that and then the pink that was bleeding through. If I see pink come through this again, I'm painting it black. So frustrated. I want to fill a table. I'm going to show you guys. Picked this up from a business in town that was going out of business, and she couldn't understand why nobody would buy this cute little table. Look at all the pits in it. She clearly took like a laminate top off and then didn't even bother to fill the holes in the pressed plywood. And then look at the sides. She just painted right over the cracks. And I'm like, really? You don't know why nobody bought this? Oh, I might have a clue. The little base of it was unstable. I had done that a couple days ago. I rocked it back and forth, clipped off the little pieces because she nailed it like through the side, trying to get it to stay put. And I just used tight chair. Yeah, tight chairs it's called. And it's just awesome. It gets in the joints so you don't have to pull a whole chair apart. And I use that to stabilize it. Now it's just perfectly fine. It's not wobbly at all. So I'm just gonna fill all the stuff she should have filled, and then I'm going to paint it. Seriously, that thing is like a hot freaking mess. She even had shoot throughs on it that I had to pull off, and then I had to bang through the rest of it. I wanted to show you guys that knob I made. Talking about a hot mess. Move some stuff around in here and now I can't find nothing. I'm still trying to get this sorted out while trying to work at the same time, and that's just not functional. You know what I mean? Found it. Here it is. So the thing I have to remember is that the gold is heavier than the other colors, so it goes right to the bottom. And you can see the blue, and the purple is the lightest, so that stayed at the top. You know what I was thinking when I saw this though? Was how cute is this going to be as feet? Like on a tray. I want to do like a footed tray out of it now, but be a cute little knob. This is way too long for this thing. This thing needs help, y'all. This is a thrift store find that needs help. Woman, when I was buying it, was like, oh, I just love it. If you love this, stop watching now, because it is going to get painted and this is all gonna go away. I mean, it's got to be sanded down. I got a bunch of sanding to do when my primer dries on that mantle. I got a bunch of sanding to do before I paint again, and this is one of the pieces that's getting sanded. I'm really sorry to the lady at the thrift store who loved this. You should have bought it. You should have bought it because it's in my hands now. Only God can save it now. Oh gosh. My husband brought the shelves in. He didn't tell me. Oh, they're here. Yay. 2 more rolling wood shelves to get my bins on. Yeah, I'm excited.
My husband just stopped in to make discouraging remarks. That's always fun.
Oh, you're gonna be able to open a garage door.
Oh, really? Thanks for giving me the information there, genius.
You know, he can hear me. Because I can hear him. Stop being a dick. Okay, so now I have 3 nested there. I was able to move some other stuff in behind the dresser. I've got to get that on its wheels. And then this one's not full yet, but I gotta go because we're gonna get an alternator put in Fluffy. I'm in Fluffy! Okay, husband, move. I gotta take her to get an alternator. My husband left her idling. She's got a leak. So it's just nauseating in here right now. I could die at any second. I could stroke out. Ooh, she ain't good in the snow, guys. That's why I don't normally. She just stalled out. Oh, I don't normally take her out in the snow. And let's hope she doesn't stall again because my husband like took off. Of course. He's not waiting for me. And she stalls out. I'll just be like sitting on the side of the road twiddling my thumbs when he figures out I'm not with him anymore. Fluffy's in the shop. The mantle finally covered it. But this, remember this guy? The pink that was bleeding through? It's freaking still bleeding through. Even after the oil base. So guess what? It's staying pink. I'll put that part towards the wall. I don't even know what to do about that. There's no pink anywhere else but this one leaf. This leaf. Right here. Besides, it's gonna be pink. So I guess it's gonna be pink. Anyway, I think I've done enough. I'm so glad to have that mantle done. I can't wait to chuck it in the back of shade and pick up my check on Monday. Get that sucker up to the booth upstairs. I'm so excited. I can't even tell you that it's done. I mean, I gotta get the L brackets on it, which I should go find those right now before I forget. I got my ring back on. I got my ring back on. I was so happy. The swelling went down enough to put my ring back on, which means we're on a good path. We're heading in the right direction. Oh, it's a good day. It's a good day. Told my dad when I was on the phone with him the other day, because like all this stuff started happening, including a shipment that went to England in September, on September 11th, that still hasn't arrived. It was scanned by the British Postal Service on the 19th of September, and they still have not delivered it to my customer. So I'm about to lose $77 because they only reimburse you for the postage on a lost package. And they told me it's because of COVID. There are international shipping delays because of COVID. So I don't think I can take any international orders at this point. I have to shut that option off. That makes me really sad because I've sold a lot overseas. And at Christmas time, I don't want to cut off that avenue of sales. But if they're going to say COVID is the reason for 2 months they can't deliver a package, what am I supposed to do? I mean, I thought by now it was delivered. I mean, when you send something on September 11th, you think, oh, well, it's November 13th, 14th. So it's, should have been delivered by now, right? No. So there was all this stuff that was going wrong, including the mantle and the shipment and all that stuff. And then the Hashimoto's flare. And I said to my dad, something really, really good is about to happen. And he said, why do you think that? And I said, because that's always what happens is Like, it's the worst. I'm in the worst place ever. And then something really great happens. Like that day I was sitting there thinking, something really good's about to happen because this is just a crappy day. Like, it's just crappy right now. So something good's about to happen. So I'm just keeping my eyes open. Something good's about to happen. Today was a good day. You know, brought Fluffy in and she stalled twice. She stalled going out of the driveway. And then as I was pulling into the parking spot at the mechanics, it stalled out again. And I was like, oh, Fluffy girl. Girl, you need to run now. I mean, I need my van. So I'm glad it's at the mechanics. I have no idea what's in the back of it. I know there's some bins in there. And then when I dropped it off and we pulled away, I thought, ugh, I wonder what's in there. And am I gonna need it? I just gave them all my bins. I think that'll be dry tomorrow, that mantle, so I can get that out of there. And then I have these 2 tables. I got that one table that's right there, that one. It's a plant stand, and I was gonna take all the paint off of it, and I started to hand sand it, and I like the what's happening with the shabby chic look on it, or the hand sanded look on it. So I may just paint the top, because the top had to be sanded more than what would, you know, would be cute. It's not cute, but the legs and the base were cute, so I might just paint the top. The base is blue right now. You can kind of see it's like a baby blue, and I thought maybe if I did the top in white. I don't know, but I think I'll work on that. And then the other little table that I filled all the little pits in, it actually looks cute. I used crack spackle, and that's not normally something I put on furniture, but it works great because I needed something white and lightweight to fill those little tiny holes. It worked great. It was brilliant. So it's dry. I sanded it down and it's smooth now, and I can just paint it tomorrow. Yes. I do want to sand around the bottom. There were those deep grooves, so I'll have to sand all that. But otherwise, I think I'm out for the day, guys. Have a good one. See you tomorrow.